Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on how Genic. In today's video, I'll teach you the way that you use Podimo offline. If you don't have access to internet connection always and you're trying to listen to podcasts or audiobook, even when offline, let me show you the way on how it's done. Open up the Podimo app and open up the audiobook or the podcast that you're trying to listen to. Now this step is important before you are offline. So make sure you have a internet connection before you do so. So open up any podcast or audiobook that you like. Once you open up the podcast, select a episode. I'll just select this one. And here you'll have the option called download. By downloading podcasts and audiobooks, you'll be able to listen to them even when you are not connected to the internet. So you can just tap on this download button right here. And this podcast or a audiobook will be downloaded to the download section on your Podimo app. To view the downloads, you can just tap on the library section on the bottom right. On the top, you can scroll through, tap on downloads, and you can see all of the downloads that you made on the Podimo app. Let me quickly show you. I can just turn off my Wi-Fi and I can just play any of these podcasts or audiobook.
Equipment can cause serious damage to its speakers.
This way I can listen to podcasts even when I'm not connected to the internet. So that was the process on the way that you use the Podimo app offline. I hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, do let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.